Unlock the ultimate travel secrets and turn everyday spending into unforgettable Hilton experiences with this ultimate Hilton Honors Point Guide. First, boost your earning potential by strategically choosing Hilton hotels. Look for promotions offering bonus points per stay or per night, and always book directly through Hilton's website or app to ensure you receive full credit. Next, supercharge your points accumulation with the Hilton Honors Credit Card. These cards offer lucrative sign-up bonuses and generous rewards on everyday spending, particularly on Hilton stays and select spending categories. Now, tap into Hilton's extensive network of partners. Earn points on flights, rental cars, and even online shopping through the Hilton Honors portal. Every purchase gets you closer to your next dream vacation. Maximize your redemption value by being flexible with your travel dates. Off-peak stays require fewer points. Consider using your points for unique experiences like concerts or spa treatments, and explore the points and money option to stretch your points further. Subscribe for more travel hacks to make every point count. Get ready to experience the world, one amazing Hilton stay at a time.